out in Florida. In Florida, yeah, sunny Florida. Hello guys, my name is Stephen Blackwood, and today on the channel it is the biggest vlog ever seen on the channel before. You thought Barcelona and Port Ventura was big. Me and my family are about to venture off over to America to go and see six parks never seen before on the channel before, as I am flying off to Walt Disney World Florida and Universal Studios Florida. So I hope you look forward to coming along the journey with me and the family, as I'm going to be taking you every step of the way. So I hope you just sit back, relax and enjoy, as one of the most amazingest places on earth is about to come true. Not only for my eyes, but for your eyes too, on the channel, for the subscribers. Or see some sights never seen before on the channel, going to see some rides I've never even gone on rid on before, because the UK hasn't got that. I'm Stephen Blackwood on the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel, and the big Orlando vlog for Walt Disney World and for Universal Studios is about to begin. I will see you on the journey. Whoop! Just about to go on our flight. Our plane is out there and it's not moving. We're not going on that one, don't worry. But that's how big it's going to be, maybe a bit bigger. So we're about to go on board, and I'll see you on the other side. I wonder where that could be, but I'll see you there. Next time you see daylight like that, you will be in a different country. Where will we be, Kieran? America. You'll be in America. Hello. What? At Walt Disney World with the spaceship literally just behind me. I need to get my thing onto this. Literally just there is spaceship. Kieran, demonstrate for us. Hold your hand out to it. Get everyone on the camera there. We are here. How excited are you to be here?
Very excited.
Very excited. We've got a bit of a bad for at the moment, but we're here at Epcot for the first park of the Disney vacation. I have no idea where my dad is. He's over there somewhere. Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited?
Yes.
Very scared at the same time, yeah? Yes. I know it's all a new experience. The people are coming in. They're in now. They're ready. They're ready to get Disneyed. And now we're off to our first ride creds, which is Test Track 0 to 65. So let's go. Over to Test Track. Let's go. The first ride at Disney, which is Test Track, basically Rita. I haven't done Rita in a while, so in a true Disney fashion, show me how you Rita, Disney. I will see you. It's going round. I will see you on Test Track. just came off test track at Epcot, and that was the second time in a row. Please, can you do tell us what you thought of that ride?
That's good, really good.
Yeah. Yes.
It's quite
impressive.
fast.
I enjoyed it.
It's funny.
And it did the job, you know. It was a Disney-styled Rita twice in a row. So keep going around with us for more here at Walt Disney World and on the Stephen Blackwood's
YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. We're at Disney's Hollywood Studios. She is!
It's been raining, but who cares? It's 32 degrees.
And see you on the next part of the journey at Disney's Hollywood Studios. So let's go rock and roller, let's go Tower of Terror, let's go Slinky Dog Dash Coaster.
Yes, I'm still all in one piece.
Now that was wonderful.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm still in one piece.
That's what you need to be like. Only on the Tower of Terror at Hollywood Studios.
In Florida.
In Florida, yeah. Sunny Florida. The Sunshine State. Let's go.
Work, you ungrateful little twit. I've just about had enough of you.
Hello, I'm Stephen Blackwood on the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel, live at Toy Story Land. As you can see behind me, this is the colourful night that it looks like at night. Very pretty, very aesthetically detailed. Now we just had our first ride on Slinky Dog Dash, and for a family coaster, it did the job very well. It's nice and smooth, it's not too fast, kids will love it, adults will love it, who wouldn't want to love it? So if you're here in America and you want to come on down, you check out Slinky Dog Dash at the immersive Toy Story Land in Disney's Hollywood Studios. Hello. So I'll see you on the YouTube channel, and I'll see you hopefully for more rides on Slinky Dog Dash, because that was quite a smooth coaster, just right there. Even though it's the biggest, most famousest mountain probably known to Walt Disney World, Big Thunder Mountain here at Walt Disney World did not tender to our needs. Not the original, no, but the second original. Main Street USA. This is where it happened. We're on the scariest ride at Magic Kingdom. It's scarier than the Tower of Terror.